Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this whiteboard animation easily in a Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel, as it really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So I can close this animation. I already opened a new Canva page. As you can see, I already add 4 different slides. To the first one, I just add the text. Canva teacher tutorial, and call it speed painter. Okay, and just increasing the size, selecting all, going to the fonts and searching for a script. There are lots of cool fonts for its scripts. Oh, that's a bit too much, I think. This is actually good. Can be a bit even bigger. And selecting all, going to the spacing and reducing a bit the line spacing, like this. And for the second page, I'm going to the elements and searching for scratch. For sketch. And node photos for graphics, and we can find lots of nice elements. Some is a bit more difficult, like Lincoln, but we have lots of much easier. And now we use this bookshop, I think, like this. And the next 2 pages, why I need it, first I have to download these 2 pages. I started with the page number 1, just downloading it, and download the second page also. We do not have to upload, we just need to download it due to this application require it from the computer, the file. So I'm going to the apps and just typing speed and choosing the speed painter, selecting the application. As you can see, I just have to choose the file, which could be JPEG, PNG, or VBP, and cannot be more than 6 megabytes. So I just choose the file. And now we have some settings. I set for 10 seconds. And I remove the hand. We can include or remove this hand. And I don't think I need to with color. I just generate. And now I just have to wait until the system generates the animation. So it's done. And I just have to click on the add to design. Wait a bit until the system add it to the design. Meanwhile, it's moving to the uploads. Also, this application also move this animation to the uploads. So I can see what was done. Maybe it's not the best. No. Okay, maybe it's too. Maybe the text is too high and this 10 seconds is not enough. So I can go back, remove the picture, choose the second file, open it, this one with color, 5 seconds, and now including the hand, and generate. As it's already done, so I can add this also to the design. I just adding to the page number 4. And just increasing the size. Yeah, it's not really works with these bigger pictures when they need too much art. So it's literally, if I'm going back to the elements, if I choose something like this cat, this will be done on seconds. So downloading the page number 5, downloading it, open a new page, go back to apps, speed painter, back, I can delete this, choose file, and just choosing this cat, and generate. That has to be a much faster process due to the picture is not so difficult, and this application can do it much faster. I'm still waiting. I started a few minutes ago, so I have to cancel it and try to do something else. I just reduce the size of this picture. Might be easy to have. So just downloading then page number 5 again. Okay, it's downloaded. Going back to here, page number 5 again, 5 seconds without color, with a sketching hand effect, and generate again. And now try to, I don't know, I hope this will be faster. Due to the previous one with a bigger image, after 5-10 minutes was still not finished and I have to cancel it. Meanwhile, it's mentioned this can take a while. Feel free to close the app and return later to see the result. Maybe if I leave it for half an hour or 1 hour, that will be do it. I can imagine this application doing lots of animations at the same time, then slowing it. So somewhere was stopped here for me. Hope so now this will be finished, and also don't have to cancel again. I see it was processing until here, same as now, and stopped, and I don't know why. This one's a pretty simple image. Now with even with a small size, without coloring, so it shouldn't be an issue. But it's again, so I just removing the hand effect. Maybe this causes a problem. Let's see how it works without the hand. As you see, without the hand, this takes pretty fast. So also we can choose it without the hand, and this one was not the perfect one. If I try to do it with 10 seconds, same as without the hand, I would like to see the result. I'm guessing this will be a bit takes more, but at least without the coloring and without the hand, might be it's processing till the end, and I don't have to wait until tomorrow. But we will see soon how it works. And as you can see, again, stopped in the same part of the process, so I just have to cancel it, and so we have to work with this, what we have on the 5 seconds. So I just deleting this pages. This make it increasing a bit, and I can see the final result. Not good as I expected. I don't know why. I expected a bit better. Strange, when I made my first trial was pretty good. Now when I'm recording it, doesn't work that well. As you can see here, what I recorded first, I mean what I created first for the recording, that's pretty nice. Even with this difficult picture from Abraham Lincoln, it looks very nice. Then when I'm recording it, like as typical Murphy's Law, it's not working as well. But you see how this application works. You can feel free to try it and play with it. Time to time you can get an amazing result. So this tutorial is going to the end. Thanks for watching. Hope so you enjoyed it, and see you in the next tutorial. Ciao.